Got this Odyssey bag. It's a switch pack. It's got a bunch of loops on it. So you can put it on your handlebars. You can put it on the frame. You can carry it around your waist or shoulder. I had said I just thought there was one pocket, but there's actually two. There's one on the front and a really small one on the back. This back one will hold like your wallet or some money. I don't think a phone would fit in there. If you had a really small cell phone, it would fit in there. But a normal size phone with a case would not fit in there. But it would fit on this side. And I showed you the 4 Velcro straps so that you can hold it to your handlebars or a frame. It's also got Velcro back here on the sides. Probably for these straps if you want to rig them up in a strange fashion. But just so you know, this strap here, you can't take it off. So if you're never going to use it, you're going to have to cut it off. Would have been nice if they had clips right there. Anyway, nice little bag for your bike. These Odyssey Par Ends. Pretty self-explanatory. Just push those in the end of your bars and tighten them down. Super hard plastic. And then I got these Shadow sandals. So these come in, I guess there's no label on here. These come in up to size 10.5. I think like size 9 to 10.5, which is what these are. And then size 11 to 13. And normally in shoes I wear either a 10.5 or 11. So I didn't know what size to buy. I have not opened these. I'm gonna open these up right now. A lot of times when I buy sandals, they run a little big, so I'm hoping that these 9 to 10.5 size fit me. Shadow Conspiracy. I love DJ Shadow, so I thought it was a double win. They have some weird sizing on there. On the website it said size 9 to 10.5. Go ahead and try these on. Put on my my Todd Francis Stance socks. Oh, they fit perfect. So, anyone who's wondering, I normally wear a size 10.5 in some shoes. In Vans, I wear a size 11. And these Shadow Conspiracy sandals fit me just absolutely perfectly. They're not adjustable. They're a little loose on my feet, but not bad. So, yeah, it says size 9 to 10.5. I feel like these would definitely be too big for someone who wears a size 9. But I could be wrong. Also got this Odyssey bar pad. It just came in this plastic bag right here. for my kid's bike, and the handlebars are really small, so I just trimmed some of the foam off and squeezed it on there, and it looks pretty good. This is a 2021 Fairdale Macaroni bike, the 24-inch one. They make two kids' bikes. This is the bigger one. She really liked that design, so threw it on there. Just wanted to show this up closer. You got the Nightwolf on one side. It's reversible. Got some Fairdale water bottles here. This is a tall one, a shorter one. These are made by Specialized. These bottles are nice. I've used them many times before. This one has the Monty Corgi. These are nice bottles. They're really flexible. And the top, you probably can't, you can kind of tell in the video, but they're kind of like soft. And I'm not going to take this apart because I'm not ready to use it, but this is a Salt 25 tooth. Sprocket. You can see there it says 6061 T6 aluminum alloy. It comes with your adapters for your sprocket. I'm not gonna open up this one yet because I'm not ready to use it. But you can see how they use the same package for all of these. These top two are the quick slit cables with the straddle cable built in. And then this one down here, the original one, that's the cheap one that you see for probably like $4 or $5. And then this one is the next step up. These are like $12. And then you have the ones with the Ultra Slick and the Race. Those are more expensive. Those are like $15, and then I think $18 for the Race ones. So this is kind of like middle of the line. But you can see there it has the K-Shield technology. These are great cables. I've used them for a long time. It says 55% stronger than competitors. And here's the back. You can see what it comes with. It comes with a cable tie, a Velcro cable tie in there, and a sticker. And there's a couple pieces in there. I don't know if you can see those, but there's a cable end crimp, and there's some ferrules in there. It comes with the ferrules built in, but a lot of people don't use these for the quick slick system, so they'll have to cut this off right here to adjust it for a different size bike, and then they give you those extra ferrules in there. And this one real quick, this is a Shadow cable strap. It said black on the website. It's really hard to tell in this video because it's kind of bright in here, but it's not a dark black. It's almost like a gray, or like almost like a see-through with the black Velcro underneath. Just a standard size cable strap. And I got this Eclat. I have no idea how to pronounce that. This is a straddle cable with the hanger, the straddle hanger built in. And I'm going to take it out of the bag so you can see it. And I want to measure this length right here because I'm curious. I have a couple bikes with the Odyssey Quick Slicks. So I'm curious to see if this will fit on there if I ever want to adjust the cable. So I'm going to open this up now. I've not opened this yet. It only comes with two pieces. This is the knarp that tightens down on the cable. And here is the so you run your cable through this little hole right here. It's not focusing on it, but you get the picture. You run your cable through there and through here. There it goes. So the little knarp fits on the inside. You run the cable through there, and then you tighten down on the knarp with a little Allen key skewer. So I want to measure this from here to here in case anyone's curious on, you know, how much clearance you need. I have these calipers right here. I don't know if you can see that, but it says, let me go to the center of the little lug on there. From the edge of the hanger right here to the center of the lug is 107 millimeters. It says 107.7. And if you want to know from the edge of the hanger here to the top of the lug is 104.5 basically. These little lugs are 6.6 millimeters. And from the end of the lug to the very top of the cable at a diagonal, it is 135.7 millimeters. I think I showed that, but I can't remember.